Land Rover Discovery 2021 comes with several interesting new features along with a more spacious vehicle appearance to provide ultimate comfort. Land Rover has been developing new car models over the last few years which have received favorable reviews mainly because of their exterior design and high comfort. This is one of the models developed by the car manufacturing company in conjunction with a high-power diesel engine. The three-line family SUV is getting more updates which make it better than the previous version of the automotive vehicle. The two variants of Land Rover Discovery 2021 have been introduced in the global market which come with major changes to the internal engine specifications. The 254 HP V6 turbo diesel is equipped with a single-car variant which makes it more powerful for long trips. This model vehicle developed by Land Rover has a long history of high-powered engines. The supercharged petrol-powered 340 HP V6 engine is another vehicle model that consumes gasoline as its fuel. What these two different vehicle variants have in common is that it uses a 296 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine as its core internal hardware component. The six-cylinder engine that comes with the vehicle makes it produce 355 horsepower in a short amount of time immediately after accelerating. A 48-volt hybrid system is provided together with the vehicle battery which increases the power of the vehicle significantly. Optional air suspension that was provided with previous car models was made standard in the Land Rover Discovery 2021. New matrix LED headlamps are provided at the front and rear of the vehicle which provide more brightness in low lighting conditions. The vehicle portion comes with a revamped grille design which makes it more impressive than previous automotive vehicle models. Land Rover Discovery 2021 features. The R-Dynamic mid-range trim is also expected to be launched alongside Land Rover Discovery 2021. The company has defined a range of engineering products that meet the demands of their heavy customers. This new model vehicle from the automotive manufacturing company looks sportier while getting a more comfortable interior experience through the high-quality fabric materials used in the vehicle. Glossy black exterior accents enhance the physical appearance of the vehicle along with black wheels. It looks like Land Rover has chosen to use a dark theme in their vehicles to adapt to modern-day trends. The two-tone leather upholstery used in designing vehicle interiors shows the experienced work done by a team of engineers. The new Kiddie Pro Land Rover infotainment system is provided via an 11.4-inch touchscreen display. Land Rover Discovery 2021 is expected to be launched and available to customers during early next year. Specifications for Land Rover Discovery 2021. The infotainment system of this new model comes with several options for controlling the overall device. The system has several buttons placed around the display screen which provide maximum control. The majority of car manufacturing companies have used advanced in-vehicle infotainment systems that enhance the vehicle's ability to compete with modern-day vehicles. Third-row seats operated with power makes it more practical to operate the vehicle using the buttons provided near the driver's seat. Previous model vehicles from Land Rover did not have this feature to operate using buttons.